boards up there. Cut out for the lights, everything. Straight across there. See it? Perfection! We're going to drop down over that beam. See, we put the mark on the ceiling where the rafters are, and then we glue it. So the nails that are in it are just kind of holding it until the glue dries, which is really fast. See, there's hardly any nail holes. My painter should give me a credit. I did such a great job. When you use this Windsor 1 material, it is laminated pine, and it's pre-finished, basically with primer. So the crown will go there. It's got to be small enough to fit right to that spot there and not go past it. Minor detail, we had to pull these back because they were too close, and I think we'll be fine. Okay, we're getting this vaulted ceiling project done, and of course they want to cover the beam and make it look like a bigger beam, so we have to wrap it with material. Here's how we do it. Basically build a box. Miter your corners, boys. Everybody's gonna like it better. Lots of glue. Yeah. See, there you go. It's only 15.5 feet long, so we're gonna put it up in one piece and nail it. So there's the beam, and we bring down the framing to give us something to attach to, and support in the middle for the ceiling fan. And then it'll be pretty. So this is it before crown.